Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to buy HEX on Guardarian.com. Select a fiat currency you want to exchange and enter the amount you wish to spend. For each transaction, we provide exchange details. Guardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and does not charge you with additional or hidden fees. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Fill in your wallet address and write your phone number for SMS verification. Your number is needed for further verification steps, and Guardarian will never call you. Enter the code next. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Select your preferred document and take a picture. Next up is a facial verification. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. After this, you'll need to manually make the payment from your bank account. While performing the bank transfer, don't forget to include the reference number. Payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. As soon as we receive your payment, the crypto will be sent to your wallet.